Hi there, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers, which is how do I light charcoal using a chimney and some firelighters? Now the first thing you'll need to do is to fill the chimney with hardwood lump charcoal. I personally like to use a natural charcoal rather than a briquette. Then get yourself 3 natural firelighters and put those on the base of your barbecue or something that's not going to burn. So now we have our chimney full. The next step is to light our firelighters. Once our firelighters are lit, simply put the chimney over the top. Now lighting charcoal with a chimney will take about 25 minutes, and what you'll see is that the smoke will start to come up and also some flames. So after about 25 minutes, it'll be time to pour the charcoal into the spit and get cooking. If you'd like to stay connected and keep upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, post a comment below, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.